Watch and learn how to draft this beautiful style. So the first thing you want to do is to take the bust span measurement, divide it by 2, minus half an inch and mark on the under bust line. On the bust line, divide the bust span measurement by 2 without minusing anything and mark. Connect the 2 points, go to the shoulder, get the midpoint of the shoulder and also mark. Then you want to connect from the bust line up to the shoulder. Next is for you to connect from the under bust line down to the upper hip line, just like this. Then you can then move to taking out the dart. So I'm going to take out the under bust dart, determine your dart size depending on your bust and the under bust measurement. After taking the under bust dart, then I'll move to the shoulder dart. The shoulder dart might not be as much as the under bust dart, but just take out shoulder dart just like this. Then you connect from the shoulder dart down to the bust point or to the bust line, just like this. If you are still watching this video, please support me by liking, put down a comment, share and follow this page or subscribe to this channel. If you're a fashion designer and you are yet to download the StyleBit application or you haven't heard about the StyleBit application, this is for you. StyleBit is an application designed for fashion designers to help us manage our businesses. On StyleBit, you can save your customers' measurements so you never lose your customers' measurements. Even if you change your phone, you still have access to your customers' measurement. You can save orders to keep track of how well your business is doing. You can send invoice to your customers to remind them about any pending payment you are yet to receive from them. You also get access to a free fashion designer community where you can ask questions if you need any help. I'll leave a link in the comment section and also in the description box to download the StyleBit app. So just go to the comment section, whether you use iPhone or iOS, just go to the comment section, click on the link and you have StyleBit. Or you go to Play Store and search StyleBit